Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create text shortcuts on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now you might be wondering, what is a text shortcut? It's basically a text or abbreviation that you will type that will later on allow you to get suggestion of that abbreviation or short text that you have created it for. So for example, you can type email and it will suggest your email address, and that works for anywhere on your phone as long as you're using your keyboard. Now that sounds interesting, so let me show you how to do it. Click on settings on your phone, then click on general management, then click on your Samsung keyboard settings. Now if you scroll down, you will find the text shortcuts. Now here it is, and it tells you here directly an example that you can create something that types email with the email address as well. So I'm going to show you how that works by creating one. So I'm going to simply click the plus on the right hand side, and let's say I am going to type in email, right? And once I type in email, I can simply add my email. So I can simply type in Andrew, for example, and I can say at Gmail. Let's put it like that, gmail.com, right? Now I'm gonna simply go ahead and click add, and you can see that it adds my email. So let me minimize this. Let's say open up my Gmail now. So I'm gonna open up Gmail here, and once you're in Gmail, let's say I want to create a new email. So let me click on compose. Now if I simply go ahead in the two option and simply type email, the word email, you will see it suggests right below above the keyboard the email address. Now I can simply tap on that now, and it will automatically add that email address in that field. How amazing is that? Very amazing, right? So guys, this is how you can easily go ahead and utilize the feature to create text shortcut, and that works for anything that you want to create. It could be a name, it could be whatever word, it could be abbreviation. For whatever you want, you can create as many text shortcuts as possible on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now if later on you want to delete it, it's very easy as well. You simply need to click the delete button on the upper right hand side, then you want to select the ones that you want if you have multiple, and then hit the delete button, then confirm the delete, and that's how you can easily delete those text shortcuts. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.